It's what happens when you don't do a good job of tightening the wires. Since we arrived here, we find that this had burned itself up, and that's why they had a failure today. But when I look at the wires that were next to that, you could tell that whoever changed this last did a poor job of installing the other side. And it's probably likely that they did a poor job of installing this side. When these wires are not tight and wrapped very nice and neat like that, and then held down snugly, it causes heating up of the wire. And when we took the piece out that we cut off, well, it doesn't even matter about the piece we cut off. You could see the fire that occurred here. This must have been arcing for a long time, because this is burned up and it burned the Bakelite for a long time. So this has been welding itself together for quite a bit of time. And then I just walked in and touched it, and it went boof. And then we're gonna give them air conditioning again today. But stupid. Poor workmanship causes problems. This is that problem. I would say overall you're pretty lucky, because this has been smoldering for a long time, melting that. And if we look at the contactors down in there, this has been neglected and long overdue for replacement, because it's been arcing for a very long time. So yeah, and whoever did this, they replaced this from the original manufacturer, so they did something wrong when they did that. Not a good job. It's amazing. Electric's scary.